This topic is called converting between temperatures in Fahrenheit and Celsius. So in this particular problem, it's asking us to convert 70 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So we look at what do they want us to convert it to, and that is Celsius. So that starts with a C. So we want to use this formula. So we're looking for Celsius. So we're going to plug in our 70 for the F, and then we're going to simplify and figure out what it is in Celsius. P.S. Please subscribe to my channel and then like any videos that you find are helpful to you. So we're going to go ahead and rewrite the formula, but instead of the F, we're going to go ahead and make that a 70. So the whole thing with this topic is, do you know which formula to use and where to plug in the number that they give you? So if they give you Fahrenheit, you're going to use the formula to give you Celsius. If they give you degrees in Celsius, then you'll use the other formula. That's to figure out what the Fahrenheit is. So in order of operations, we need to do 70 minus 32 first, and that is 38. So let's read. So right now I'm thinking in my head, wait a minute, 9 doesn't go into 38 evenly. So we're going to go ahead and read the problem more carefully. It says we need to round our answer to the nearest 10th of a degree. So we're going to do 5/9 times 38. Or if you want to do 5 times 38 and then divide by 9, or if you want to do 38 divided by 9 and then times 5, you can do it in any order. So it becomes, I did 5/9 times 38 and I got 190 over 9. I guess that's 5 times 38 and then divide by 9. And then we need to just put that into decimal, which is 21.1. That repeats with the vinculum over the 1. So 21 point, and we're supposed to round the nearest 10th. So with rounding, hopefully this is something that you've learned before. We want our number to end on the 10th. So we look at the number right after, and that tells us to either leave that number the same or raise it, the one before the line or before like what we're rounding. So the 1 is telling us just leave it to 21.1. So let's do another one. Okay, in this example, they're giving us Celsius and they want us to change it to Fahrenheit. So we need to use the formula with the F. So we are going to do F equals 9/5 times 69, and then we will add 32. So I just replaced the C in the formula with the 69 degrees they gave me. So I'm going to do 9 times 69 divided by 5. And then I'm going to add 32. And I'm assuming we have to round to the nearest 10th. Yes, that's what they said in the instructions. So the answer will be 156 and 2/10. And it looks like they are offering you a calculator for this problem. So I do recommend using a calculator if you like. Okay, so let's see. They're giving us Fahrenheit and they want us to find Celsius. So we're going to use the first formula like we did in the first problem and replace 84 with the 84 degrees for the F in the formula. Sorry, can't do two things at once. So we have to do what's it called? Parentheses first. So we're going to do 84 minus 32, which is 52. We'll times that by 5 and divide by 9. So it's 28.8 with a vinculum. So we're rounding to the nearest 10th, which means we want to write out at least to the 100th. We want only 3 digits in our answer. The 8 after, like in the 100th spot, tells us to raise the 8 in the 10th spot to a 9. So that's just a little bit of extra instruction there for rounding. So the answer will be 28 and 9/10. And that's the end of the lesson.